In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve Telegram bot error. Sometimes bot can stop functioning due to various issues, and this can be frustrating, especially if you rely on them for important tasks. To get started, go ahead and click on the top left corner of your screen and click on Settings. This will take you into your Telegram settings. And here, go ahead and scroll down and look for data and storage. Once you have found this, go ahead and click on data and storage. And here, go ahead and click on storage usage. Now in this section, go ahead and click on the clear cache button. Clearing your cache can resolve many minor glitches related to bots by removing outdated or corrupted data. Confirm clearing your cache. Now after you confirm clearing your cache, it is important to close the app and reopen it. Once you've reopened the Telegram app, test out your bots again, and this should be functioning flawlessly now. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below.